It is important to classify animals into groups to help us understand their common behaviors and characteristics. This helps us understand more about their needs. Most of us recognize genus and species names, but animal identification is a lot more complicated than that. Let's look at a familiar animal as an example, the domestic cat. Animals belong in the kingdom Animalia, which is divided into groups. These are called phyla. There are around 34 known phyla. We say known because new animals are always being discovered, and new discoveries in genetics can lead to changes in how an animal is classified. Each phylum is divided into more groups. Many people think that the first division in intervertebrates and invertebrates, but this is false. There is no one big group, vertebrates, and animals with a backbone, or invertebrates, animals without a backbone. Cats are animals, so they belong in the kingdom Animalia. Next, they have a structure that develops into a backbone and some of the other criteria we need to put them into the phylum Chordata, also known as the chordates. After chordata, cats go into the subphylum Vertebrata. This is what most of us know as vertebrates. Vertebrates must have a vertebral column or backbone. Next up is class. Cats belong to the class Mammalia, or mammals. After class, we have order. Cats are in the order Carnivora. That means that they have characteristics that define them as meat eaters. The cat family is known as Felidae. This may sound kind of familiar. Earlier, we said the scientific name for cat is Felis catus. This is because most scientific names use Latin or Greek words. Felis means cat in Latin and is related to the word feline. After family comes genus. This may be familiar to you because the scientific names we use in our regular lives are genus and species. Cats belong to the genus Felis. An important thing to remember about genus: animals in the same genus can often reproduce. A famous feline version of this is the liger, which comes from a male lion, Panthera leo, and female tiger, Panthera tigris. In most cases, the offspring from different parent species will be sterile. Finally, we come to species. A cat species is Catus, though we never use just the species when talking about an animal. This is because the same term can be used more than once in a different genus. One of the Latin meanings in Catus is intelligent and wise. This means that our binomial name for domestic cats, Felis catus, translates to cat, intelligent and wise. Animal naming is an important part of the sciences. It helps us group animals together by common characteristics and gather information about their groups. It also helps us infer information about extinct species or even how species evolve over time. In this video, we have covered some of the basics for a well-known animal. There are many other aspects to animal naming though, including domains, clades, sub, super, and info groups, which are more in-depth and usually only used by specialists.